Whether you're setting up a serving area at your catered event or you need a stable prep station with convenient portability, Regency stainless steel folding work tables are the perfect solution. These stainless steel work tables deliver durability and sleek design, setting them apart from the traditional plastic alternatives. With a variety of sizes to choose from, you're sure to find a Regency work table that meets your needs. These tables fold down to a compact size, which makes them extremely easy to transport. When it's time to set up, simply unfold the legs and lock them into position for a sturdy foundation. Each table is designed to support up to 300 pounds thanks to their 18-gauge 430 stainless steel construction. Additionally, these tables feature stainless steel reinforced hat channels that further enhance stability. This solid design allows you to feel confident setting up your chafers, beverage dispensers, soup kettles, coffee urns, and more. For additional storage, these tables feature a removable undershelf that can be used to keep extra plates, ingredients, and other supplies close at hand. This sturdy undershelf can hold an additional 100 pounds of weight to meet just about any need. When it comes to food service operations, sanitation is of the highest importance. That's why Regency stainless steel folding work tables are NSF listed. If you're ready to upgrade from plastic folding tables, look no further than these stainless steel folding work tables from Regency.